Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to remove pre-installed apps in Windows 11 so you can clean up your system and free up space. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Apps. Click Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to remove. Click the three dots next to the app. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Some built-in system apps cannot be removed from Settings. To remove more apps, right-click the Start button and click Windows Terminal Admin. Click Yes if prompted. Make sure PowerShell is selected. Type the following command: Get-AppxPackage space asterisk appname asterisk vertical bar space Remove-AppxPackage. Replace app name with the name of the app you want to remove. Press Enter. Wait for the command to complete. Restart your computer after removing apps. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.